Hello, my name is Brucey, and today we're going to install the ADF Molle storage racks. Molle storage racks. Window storage racks. And here is the end result. Now, I was originally going to, it's actually a Molle rack, Molle. I haven't quite filled this one up yet, but I decided that I wanted them to be easily on and off, which they are, and they all carry things. I've got an assortment of bags here, but here's like my winch control, little OBD2 reader. There's a little flashlight, crescent wrench, overnight bag. This is actually a tool bag. It's got a lot of cool stuff. Let me show you. So I've got the old socket wrench, just a 3/8 socket. Got an extension for it. I ground down the socket, the handle on it, so that I could use the extension for leverage if needed. Hopefully I'm not in a place where I need both. Little Leatherman Allen key set. There's a screwdriver here with lots of different bits in the handle. You know, you can get these anywhere. Wrenches, that sort of stuff. I like this, actually. This is a little reusable zip tie, and the sockets go on those. Keeps them from getting lost in there. But I actually used this set a decent bit this past week and was pretty happy with it for what it is. You know, for as little space as it takes up, rather, it is pretty handy because it all fits in a little travel bag. I've got an actual travel bag, I've got an air compressor, I've got my GoPro bag, I've got my med kit full of stuff. This is the webbing that you're supposed to actually attach to that stuff. I didn't do that. I'd like to get some, I believe it's called Narcan or Narcan in here. The Surgeon General recommended it for opioid overdoses. It's shown to help with that, but you know, just full of all kinds of stuff in there. There's an anticoagulant, which I've heard mixed things about, and I just think it's nice to have this stuff because you never know. And I do plan to get a fire extinguisher in here as well. Also, I like that chainsaw, but it does leak. That's what this stuff is. I wish it didn't. I don't know if I'm setting it wrong or something, but anyways. Something I really like about this is basically wasted space right here. And yeah, this one's going out a little bit further. It also doesn't affect, here, let me just show you. It also doesn't change the rear view at all. And if necessary, I can use that still. I don't really use that window anyway. That leaves the spare tire well full of stuff, always. I've actually got this blanket in here. They gave it to me when I got the car, but it's actually got a picture of my car on it. So that's kind of fun. Then we've got all kinds of stuff underneath there. Tripod, shoes, more camera stuff. More camera stuff. Drills, tools. Ooh, the life vest for the dog. And under that, recovery strap, spare flip-flops, radios, jumper cable, shackle. Ooh, the owner's manual. Did you know that the Subaru actually comes with an owner's manual? A lot of people don't know that. But hopefully this gives some people some ideas on just how to organize. I really like this product, and I just couldn't bring myself to buy it, but the wife bought it for me, so thanks. Really helps organize the space. If you're wondering, the spare tire stays up there. It's pinched up there. But hopefully this helps somebody either review for this product, install guide for this product, or gives you some ideas, make your own. Thanks for watching.